ETH, we start with monthly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, based on monthly chart, we have been looking to see the breakout of this correction. The price is almost at the top. Now we want to see the breakout of this top. We want to see the breakout of 4.1. All right. With the breakout of the 4.1, then we can look for all-time high. And with the breakout of the all-time high, then we are looking for 6.1 following by 7.8. Okay, this after the breakout of the all-time high, this is the targets we're looking for. Okay, and now the only question is whether the price can break the previous top or not. Anyway, we move to lower time frame. We want to see how we can look for trade. The only thing is based on weekly chart, even if we put this top, even if the price tag or break with the previous top, that's mean even if the price tag or break the previous this top, if we put in relative to the here, we will see we have a divergence. All right, that's why at this point, if the continuation, we see the continuation, we don't need to care about the divergence. And mostly we're looking for continuation, and we don't need to care for the divergence. The only thing is if the price consolidate about at this top, following by divergence, this is where we have to be quite careful. But since this is the weekly chart, at this point we don't need to care. The only thing is if we want to look for trade either based on weekly or lower time frame, the mostly we have to look for the trades that are based on lower time frame. The best things is if we see the breakout of this stop before we take the next trade, but it depends on the strategy the traders are using. And if we move to daily chart, we don't see anything. The only thing is we want to see the breakout of the previous stop. And if you get any if the price break this stop, we look based on daily chart, we're looking for 4.8 following by 5.6, and this is the daily zone we have to see the breakout of. Then the most important, we're looking for 6.1 as what I explained based on monthly chart, and with the breakout of the 6.1, then I'm looking for 7.8. Okay, anyway, based on daily chart, we can look for 4.8 following by 5.6. The only thing is how to look for trade. I don't see any trade setup based on daily chart. Then if you move to lower time frame, even based on forward chart, we cannot consider this one as a flag. Okay, and how about if you move to 1 hour chart? All right, at this point, having entry above here cannot be an option. We cannot look, we don't see any trade setup, and whoever get the trade from here by having entry above this, if they consider this one as a flag, now they should consider whether they want to keep the trade or they take out the trade in the break even. All right, that's why I mentioned if we move to at least the daily chart, that's why I mentioned if the price could break the previous top, all right, which is here 4.1, I'm referring to this top. Okay, and here then any opportunity above this 4.1 above here will be the best. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or if I see any trade which can give us a confirmation, then I will share update. Thanks.